All right, everybody, we're gonna sit here and put this coconut. I'm gonna keep cutting it like this. Go all the way. I'm gonna go all the way around. All right. I'm gonna have to do it off camera because it's not easy, but I'm just showing you how you do it. And then you sit there and you peel this off, and then you dump all the water in there, and then you get all the white part. And if it's like super pink, and you know, if you can tell that it's not really that good, throw away the white part, but you know, the meat. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this. I just kind of recently bought this, so I hope it's good. I'm gonna put it in my protein shake. Here we go. All right, so now we get the coconut, it's open, and we're gonna sit here and pour the juice, the nectars of the gods right there. Bam. All right, and it looks nice and good in there. And we're gonna scoop some of that meat out. All right, so we got that meat in there. All right, let's blend it. Make it milk. There we go. Now we got some almond. Now we got some coconut milk. Let's make our protein. All right, so now we put everything in there: the protein powder, some cinnamon, some berries, a little scoop of sunflower butter, and now we're gonna sit there and mix it up. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, yummy. You know, I gotta say something though. When you add a coconut in your smoothies, a real coconut, it takes the flavor to a whole other level. So yeah, try it.